if not be internet pressure, tell me how I go see Coca-Cola, see Viva Soap, see detergent, use one soap and 2 spoons of detergent plus 1 bottle of Coke, turn them into 5 bar soaps and even more. Yes, this hack is so simple and it works for all types of bar soaps. Let me show you how to do it without wasting much of your time. If no be internet pressure, tell me wetin go make me carry Viva Soap 1 turn am into 5 Viva Soap. It's so easy and it's so fun. Let me show you how you can achieve this to yourself. Get 1 Viva Soap, 1 detergent and 1 bottle of Coke. You can use either the can or the bottle Coke. Grate your soap, grate it until everything is well grated, just like this. If you have another means of grating your own, fine, but now like this I see am for internet. So I'm following the exact procedure. You too can follow the exact procedure. Now I'm done grating my soap. Put pot on fire. Pour in my Coke into the soap and begin to mix it. I mixed it until it is well combined. Then I added a cup of water. Cover and allow it to cook. Yes, until it starts foaming like and then add the detergent. Just 2 spoons is fine. Make it to foam more and also to have a good fragrance. Resist the heat to make the thing not overflow, spoil all my gas for me. Until it's well, combined. Also, then transfer to your mold. If you have fine soap mold, fine. If you don't have, you can use this take away. It comes out easily. After about 2 to 3 hours, this is what you have. But me, I left my own overnight because I did it late in the evening. And now we have plenty soaps. This soap foams very well and increase the soap quantity. Just Viva Soap, Viva detergent, Coke, and some water. And this is what we have. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to follow, like, and share this so more people could see how to economize and maximize their soap. Thank you. Bye.
James Tasty Treats. Oh yeah.
If you find this video useful, please don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share this video so more people could see this hack. It works so perfectly and I'm in love with it. This has been saving me cost and of course making me to maximize myself. See you guys. Bye.